Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to take one problem on Laplace equation, that is two-dimensional heat equation. So problem is, solve the equation dabba square u by dabba x square plus dabba square u by dabba y square equal to 0 with conditions u of x infinity equal to 0, u of 0y equal to 0, u of 10y equal to 0 and u of x0 means initial temperature is equal to 100 sin pi x by 10, 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to 10. So here conditions given, and in condition u of x infinity means y is infinity here, and if y is infinity then we know that the solution of Laplace equation is u of xy is equal to c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx into c3 e to the power my plus c4 e to the power minus my. Now from first condition here, in first condition u of x infinity given means u of x infinity means y is infinity. So as y tends to infinity means if we take y infinity, if we put y equal to infinity here, then this term, that is e to the power minus my tends to 0 and e to the power my tends to infinity. So if we put e to the power my equal to infinity, then we get the value of u of xy infinity. But we know that temperature is always finite. Temperature is always finite, and when this possible, this is possible only if we take C3 equal to 0. यदि C3 0 लिया तभी ये 0 आएगा, मीन्स तभी ये फाइनाइट मिलेगा. If we take C3 non-zero, then we get for y infinity we will get this value of temperature is infinity. So temperature is finite, and which is possible only if C3 equal to 0. And if we take C3 equal to 0, then we can write u of xy is equal to C1 cos mx plus C2 sin mx into C3 0 here, so C4 e to the power minus my. Now we have to find next constant using second condition. So from second condition is u of 0y equal to 0. u of 0y equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 here, then we will get c1 cos 0, cos 0 is 1, plus c2 sin 0 is 0 into c4 e raised to minus my. And this is equal to 0. So since c4 e raised to minus my is not equal to 0, and therefore c1 equal to 0. Now c1 equal to 0, c3 equal to 0 put here, and therefore we can write u of xy is equal to c2 sin mx into c4 e raised to minus my can be written as c2 c4 sin mx e to the power minus my. And the c2 c4 are two constant. We can write next constant, say c5 sin mx e to the power minus my. Now this is u of xy. Now our next target is m, and how we find m? For that we know we have to use this condition. Which condition? Condition number 3. So from third condition is u of 10y equal to 0, means for x equal to 10 the value of temperature is given 0 here. So put x equal to 10 here, then we will get c5 sin 10m into e to the power minus my. So again, since c5 e to the power minus my is not equal to 0, because if we take this 0, then we will get the value of y infinity, or total temperature is infinity. Okay, and therefore we have to take then sin 10m equal to 0, and we know that sin n pi is 0 for all values of n. So equate this with sin n pi. So sin 10m is equal to sin n pi, then we can write 10m is equal to n pi. And if 10m is equal to n pi, then m is equal to n pi by 10. m is equal to n pi by 10. So this is the value of m put in u, and therefore u of xy is equal to C5 sine of n pi x by 10 into e to the power minus n pi y by 10. And what is n here? N equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Again if you put n equal to 1, 2, 3 then C5 वैरी हो जाएगा. यदि C5 वैरी हो गया तो we can combine all values here. Combining all values means for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, how we write this constant? This can be written as summation of n varies from 1 to infinity. C5 becomes Bn sin n pi x by 10 into e to the power minus n pi y by 10. This is equation 2. Okay, and this is equation 1 say. Okay. Now you have to find Bn here. So how we find Bn? For that we have to use fourth condition, that is when y equal to 0 the value of u given a 100 sin pi x by 10. Okay, so therefore from fourth condition is u of x0 is equal to 100 sin pi x by 10 if x lies between 0 to 10. So u of x0 given a 100 sin pi x by 10. So we have to put y equal to 0 in equation 2 here. Means here we have to put y equal to 0. So if we put y equal to 0 here, then e raised to 0 is 1, remaining term as it is. That is summation of Bn sin n pi x by 10. So means this is equal to summation of n varies from 1 to infinity Bn sin n pi x by 10. Okay. Now if you observe here LHS carefully, in LHS sin pi x by 10 is, so here if we expand this series for n equal to 1 to infinity, then we will get here sin pi x by 10. So expand this series for n equal to 1 to infinity, then we can write b1 sin, means without integration we can write here constant b1 sin pi x by 10 plus b2 sin 2 pi x by 10 plus b3 sin 3 pi x by 10 plus so on. And observe LHS and RHS here. LHS is 100 sin pi x by 10. Okay, so if we compare LHS with RHS, means equate the coefficient of sin pi x by 10, sin 2 pi x by 10, sin 3 pi x by 10 from LHS and RHS, then we can write b1 equal to 100 here, b1 equal to 100. And what is b2? Sin 2 pi x by 10 is absent here, sin 3 pi x by 10 is absent, so b2 equal to 0, equal to b3 equal to so on. So remaining all constants are 0, and therefore equation 2 becomes, now what is equation 2? Equation 2 is temperature u of xy is equal to summation of n varies from 1 to infinity Bn sin n pi x by 10 into e to the power minus n pi y by 10. So this is the equation 2. We will check one again. Yes. So this is the equation 2. Now here we get only b1 non-zero constant and remaining constants are all 0. So for final answer we have to expand this series for n equal to 1 to infinity. So if we put n equal to 1 here, then we get b1 sin pi x by 10 into e to the power minus pi y by 10 plus b2 sin 2 pi x by 10 into e to the power minus 2 pi y by 10 plus so on. So here b2 equal to 0, b3 equal to 0. If you put here, then from this plus sign to end of this all values are 0. So we will get only final answer is here b1 sin pi x by 10 into e to the power minus pi y by 10. So this is the required temperature or solution of given Laplace equation. So next problem you try at home. Problem is solve dabba square v by dabba x square plus dabba square v by dabba y square equal to 0. with conditions v equal to 0 as y tends to infinity means v of x infinity equal to 0 given. Second condition given है v equal to 0 when x equal to 0 means v of 0y equal to 0 है. Third condition given है v equal to 0 when x equal to 1 means v of 1y equal to 0. And fourth condition given है v equal to x into 1 minus x when y equal to 0 means v of x0 given है x into 1 minus x if x lies between 0 to 1. So for bn we have to use this condition. So bn के लिए जब आप इंटीग्रेशन लेंगे तो इस x ने अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करके लो x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर हो जाएगा and x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू साइन nx टर्म आ सकती है बिकॉज m इज हियर m equal to I think here sin 1 है, so m is equal to maybe n pi, maybe n pi, m equal to n pi आएगा. ओके, m equal to n pi आने के बाद bn के लिए आपको ये x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू साइन n pi x का इंटीग्रेशन निकालना पड़ेगा यूजिंग u into v rule. So in this way this unit is over here. Thank you.